Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now velocity distribution in a Newtonian liquid film falling under laminar conditions along the vertical flat surface. Along the vertical flat surface. Now I'll show you the flat surface. I'll make a flat surface over here. Suppose that's a flat surface, and this is the film which is flowing down. This is the film, the red one. The topmost interface of the film the axes are represented. That is Z, this is X, and Y. Y is into the screen of the computer. That is Y. The thickness of the film is delta, and the length for the film is, let's consider as L. Now the conditions which are given are steady state, laminar flow, 1D flow, one dimension flow, that is Vz in the direction of Z, which is a function of X only. That is, the other components are 0. The density and the viscosity are constants. Also gravity Gz, which is acting in the downward Z direction, is plus G. So determine the velocity distribution using equation of continuity and equation of motion. Using equation of continuity and equation of motion. Clear? Now let's see. So first of all, what sort of geometry it is? Can you tell what sort of geometry it is? बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है बेटा. Anyone? What sort of geometry it is?
Sir, rectangular coordinates लेंगे ना.
कौन बोला? Repeat name?
Sir, rectangular coordinates लेंगे ना इसमें.
Right, because if you look at the axes are x, y, and z. So Cartesian coordinates हैं. Simple. So you need to refer to the equation of continuity and equation of motion of Cartesian systems. So here are the equation of continuity for the Cartesian system. So you write it down, this thing. Equation of continuity for Cartesian system. That is equation of continuity. That is del rho by del t plus del by del x of rho vx plus del by del y of rho vy plus del by del z of rho vz is equal to 0. Clear? Now steady state, this part is 0. Second, vx component is 0, so this is 0. Vy component is 0, this is 0. So what we are left with is this part. Since density is constant, can be taken out, so what we left with is del pz by del z is 0. That's the equation number 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good. Then we move towards equation of motion. Equation of motion, and these are the coordinates which we are talking about. Now in this, you're gonna write for the x component, you're gonna write for the y component, and then you're gonna write it for the z component, and then you strict up what is not given. Like let me show you how. For x component, vx is 0, so vx is 0, vx is 0, vy is 0. Further, vz is there, but vx doesn't exist. So this entire right hand, left hand side is 0. Secondly, there is no pressure term mentioned, so pressure component is 0. Then Vx is again 0, Vx is again 0, Vx is again 0, and G is 0. So all the terms which are appearing in the x dimension, they all are 0. Similarly, the same thing will happen for y component also. Then you are left with the z component. Now in the z component, first note it down the equation and then try to cut off what is according to the conditions what is given. Do it. I again repeat, if you look at the components in the x direction, now vx is 0, so all the vx terms will be 0. So all the terms are 0. Further, gravity in the x direction, the question in the condition, the gravity is only acting in the z direction. So gx is 0. Further, there is nothing mentioning of the pressure component, so pressure component is also 0. So all the terms appearing in the x component of this equation are 0. Same thing happens for the y component. Then comes the main part, that is velocity in the z direction. So stuck up all the terms which are given according to the condition. So when you apply z component of the equation of motion, for x component comes out to be 0, all the terms. Y component, again the same thing happens, all the terms comes out to be 0. Then comes to z component. Now if you come to the z component, you'll be left with, okay, let's see for the z component. For z component, vz by dt is 0 because the steady state conditions. Vx is 0, so this goes. Vx is again 0, this goes. Now vz into dvz by dz, this is there, so we'll write it down. Vz into del vz by del z is equal to, pressure term is 0 because nothing mentioning of the pressure. Now vz by x, that is there, so we can write del square vz by del x square plus del square vz by del y square plus del square vz by del z square. All these terms are appearing into mu plus rho gz. This is what is left from the x component.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at the if you look at your equation of continuity, it says del vz by del z is 0. So that means ये वाली term खत्म. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Further, the second derivative will also be 0. That means this is also 0 because del square vz by del z is 0. Since if del vz by del z is 0, if you take the second derivative, that will also be 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Further, if you go to your conditions, condition says vz is purely a function of x. Vz is purely a function of x. So that means what will be the value of this?
Del vz by del y will be 0.
0. So बचा क्या अब तुम्हारे पास? What is left is mu del square vz by del x square plus rho gz is 0. ये बचा. बस इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. माइनस रो बाय म्यू gz, ठीक है. और gz को क्या डिफाइन किया गया ऊपर कंडीशन में? पॉजिटिव g. no issues. So gz is nothing but g. इसको solve करो. So your vz will come out to be minus rho g by 2 mu x square plus c1x plus c2. बाउंड्री कंडीशंस लगाओ. at x equal to बाउंड्री कंडीशन बताओ भाई. बाउंड्री कंडीशन बताओ. बाउंड्री कंडीशन बताओ. चलो फिर देखते हैं बाद में. ये लो सिस्टम देख लो. ये रहा सिस्टम.
सर हम मेजर किस तरफ से कर रहे हैं, प्लेट की सरफेस से कि मतलब ऊपर से थिकनेस?
आ रहा बेटा, आ रहा.
हाँ जी हाँ सर, मतलब नियर द फ्लैट सरफेस जो होगा प्लेट का वहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगी एट एक्स
हाँ राइट. सो
एट
x equal to
डेल्टा या 0 जो भी मतलब
at x equal to minus delta.
ओके
क्योंकि a थे ओरिजिन है ना.
ओके सर ओके.
नेगेटिव एक्सेस हो गया. at x equal to minus delta vz is 0. Further at x equal to 0 at the surface थे. बाउंड्री कंडीशंस याद करो. लिक्विड गैस इंटरफेस tau xz is 0. At the surface, at the solid, at the liquid gas interface, momentum flux is 0. So you're gonna use these two conditions and solve this thing. Clear है हम conditions?
सर एक बार डायग्राम दिखाना.
ये ले, ये ले.
सर आपने कहा कि ओरिजिन के नीचे है इसलिए हमने माइनस डेल्टा लिया,
हाँ.
राइट. बट सर जो एक्स एक्सिस जो हमने मानी है वो तो सर टूवर्ड्स हमने वॉल मानी है ना सर, तो प्लस डेल्टा नहीं आना चाहिए.
X axis towards the
वॉल पॉजिटिव है ना सर.
कहाँ लिखा है?
सर एरो उस तरफ शो कर रहा है ना सर.
अरे पॉजिटिव अगर कहीं पे ओरिजिन है, इस तरफ पॉजिटिव होता है, इस तरफ नेगेटिव होता है.
वो तो सर हमारे मानने के ऊपर होता है ना सर, हमने उसको ऐसे वैसे मान लिया.
और वैसे कर ले. चल वैसे कर ले.
वैसे भी सही आएगा ना आंसर?
वैसे सेम आएगा.
नहीं आना चाहिए क्योंकि
आएगा क्योंकि वहां पे x स्क्वायर है बेटा.
ओके.
हाँ कोई चक्कर नहीं है.
यस.
क्योंकि जो वेलोसिटी का एक्सप्रेशन है उसमें वो x स्क्वायर आ रहा है ना. ये देख. और c1 तो 0 हो गया. c1
Yes.
0 यहाँ से आ गया क्योंकि इसको पहले जब इंटीग्रेट किया इट एंड्स अप एज दिस थिंग. इसको फर्दर इंटीग्रेट किया, इट एंड्स अप एज दिस थिंग. नाउ फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल मैंने माइनस म्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको मोमेंटम फ्लक्स इक्वेशन में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. नाउ मोमेंटम के लिए मैंने बाउंड्री कंडीशन लगाई, दैट इज एट द सरफेस ऑफ द लिक्विड x equal to 0, मोमेंटम इज 0. सो बोथ ऑफ देम 0, दैट मींस c is 0, c1 is 0. c1 को यहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. नाउ अब यहाँ पे x को चाहे तो प्लस डेल्टा डाल ले या माइनस डेल्टा डाल ले, मेरे को नहीं लगता हार्डली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस बिकॉज़ स्क्वायर है. सो यहाँ से योर c2 आ गया, सब्स्टिट्यूट बैक योर हैव योर वेलोसिटी एक्सप्रेशन. और यही डिराइव किया था मेरे ख्याल से शेल बैलेंस से भी.
यस सर.
सो इसका पैराबोलिक शेप कैसा होगा? पैराबोलिक है. सो ऐसे करके शेप होगी वेलोसिटी की. So that's your velocity profile. That is Vz rho g delta square by 2 mu 1 minus x by delta whole square. ठीक है? Any doubts so far? Anyone?
No sir.
ठीक है? Now let's take another case. मैं एक question लिखवाना, you try it at your places पहला. Let me check the question. मैं question check कर लूँ. Plus secondly बेटा मैं आज कैप्स ऑफ द डिवीजन करनी है, मेल सारे में पहुंचती है already. ठीक है? So make sure do come. Let me give you a question. Yes. Book है सारा को? I think everyone is having a book.